Hola amigos, so I'm going to show you guys how you can save the video to your drive and then upload it. So there's a number of different ways. Some people like to upload their video to YouTube. Some people like to upload it to the drive and then connect. And so I'm going to show you kind of a way that we can do that. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go into the student mode. And so this is what you guys see when you open this assignment. This is how you're going to post your cooking show to this assignment. And so first you got to film your video. So you're going to do that. And then once that is done, one way you could upload it to YouTube. That's a way that a lot of students do it, and that's great. Another way is you film your video and then you upload it to your drive, your school drive. And then you can just post it here. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to go to submit. I'm resubmitting because I practiced this a second ago. So I'm going to go to the submit assignment button. And I want to go here, file upload. I could try that. Sometimes that takes a little long. Also here, I upload it to my drive, and then I go over here to this button, Google Drive, and then you'll have your picture here. And then I want to select a file from my drive to put onto this assignment. So I select a file, and I'm going to go to recent, and then my file is named cooking show, and I'm going to type that in. And then that cooking show video that I want is right here. So this is the file that I want. I'm going to add it. I'm going to attach it. And then I'm going to submit that assignment. Okay? So that's how I could submit a file from my drive. And so go ahead and work on that. I hope this video was helpful. There's other ways to do it, but that's how I want it done here. I think that will be the most successful way to do it. Let me know if you have any questions. Adios, amigos.